Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Lover. Today in this video I'm just going to be showing you how we can enable the hotspot of your iPhone device, which is not showing up here on the setting of your phone. As you can see, I don't have hotspot just here on my iPhone setting. So what you have to do, click on cellular, then go click on cellular data network. After that, just scroll down, find out the hotspot, then write on the APN iPhone. For the username, iPhone, and for the password, not necessary. Just get back from this page to the setting, and you can see we got the personal hotspot in our iPhone device. So you can turn it on by choosing that one. So let me turn on the cellular data of my iPhone device, then I can use my personal hotspot to sharing my internet with my friends. So this is how we can fix the problem you have on your iPhone device. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. See you on the next week videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.